Since 1988, JD Institute of Fashion Technology has been aspiring students to follow their imagination and translate it into a successful career across a broad spectrum of courses. What makes this work? A global curriculum, dynamic leadership, strong industry network, talented faculty, inspiring infrastructure. But what makes us stand out is imagination.
We have multiple examples where our students, they come up with daring ideas, they come up with original ideas and vision, and we do believe in them. We also push them to go extra mile. As a mentor, we also encourage them, or rather help them to break down their vision into concrete requirements, and also help them to create a sample around which the final outcome will be modeled.
Design is where art and technology merges. Here we treat every mistake as an experience and every success as an achievement. We at JD delivers excellence and innovation. Here students just do not do a course because they live a course here. We feel that makes a difference. They live a dream where they bring imaginations alive.
We believe the most important quality of a designer, an artist, is their imagination, their unique creative vision that makes them change the world, the game, and stand out in this crowd.
Makeup has rapidly turned into one of India's most glamorous and lucrative professions. If you have the right skills and the right attitude, you may make it in this field, but you may not ace it. Acing it takes something more. It takes imagination, vision, and passion, and trusting enough in all of that to go that extra mile with your client. This is what we inspire our students to do.
In fashion photography, vision is everything. You have to see the miracle beforehand before you recreate it in real life. It's all about the feel rather than the look. Thinking and shooting is better than shooting and thinking. This is what we inculcate at JD's.
Space is the start of any interior design activity. With right skills and knowledge, an ordinary space can be transformed into most beautiful but comfortable, elegant and simple space. Design is not only what it feels or it likes, but how it works.
We are here to encourage them to break the mold, not to repeat old patterns. So we guided them from conceptualization to the final submission. It was an amazing journey, both for students and for us.
JD is well connected with some of the finest luxury brands in this industry. This gives us and our students access to various brands, events and opportunities to sharpen their skills and enhance connections.
Welcome to Imagination.
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 Welcome to Imagination. Welcome to Imagination. Welcome to Imagination.